Let's continue our work on this poster, Autumn Just Festival. I will show you how to change this picture. There are a lot of photos, for example, and we can change this picture. Also, we use keyword jazz, and I prefer, for example, to delete this picture and to use this one. Also, I can use the element circle like a frame, and if I put it here, then I take my photo and I bring it so it will be a circle like this. Also, I can choose other frames. Let's take this one. I can return using this element. If I don't like what I got, I delete this element and take this one. Make it bigger and then put my photo to this frame. Okay. Here I have some text and I can leave it like it is written, only I have to change this place. For example, Joensuu. And the date. And the size, if it will be. Now I will delete this line. If we would like to do several posters a little bit, we will change a little bit some elements. For example, we would like to write it not in black, but in maybe in gold, and to compare. I copy this, not to begin from the very beginning. I click this element and I go to the colors and I choose autumn colors and I like it in this interpretation like this. Then I copy once more and I will delete this element and I will find another photo. Maybe I need to discuss with someone else how it will look. And I will take another photo. So in 1 minute, we already have 3 different types of poster. In next video, I will show you how we will work with other elements.